Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a member count bot on Discord step by step, so you can display live server member counts in a clean and easy way. This is a great setup if you want your community to look more active, stay organized, and give members a quick visual of how your server is growing. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tutorials like this one. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to ServerStats.Bot. This is the website we'll use to invite and configure the bot for your Discord server. Once the page loads, look for the Invite Bot button and click it. This will begin the process of adding the bot to your Discord account. If you're not already signed in, Discord will ask you to log in first. Go ahead and sign in with the account that manages the server where you want the bot installed. After you sign in, you'll see a screen where you can choose the server you want to add the bot to. Select your desired server carefully, then click Continue. Next, Discord will ask you to grant the required permissions. This part is important because the bot needs access to the channels where it will display counters and server statistics. Review the permissions, make sure everything looks correct, and then click Authorize. Once you do that, the bot will be added to your server. Now that the bot is connected, the next step is to set it up properly inside Discord. Open your Discord server and go to the channel where you want the member count to appear. In the message box, type the command /setup channel name default counters. Make sure you enter it exactly as needed so the bot knows which channel to configure and which counter style to use. After you run the command, the bot will create the setup for your server statistics. Give it a moment to process everything. Once it's done, you should be able to see the member count in your server stats area, usually near the top left section depending on how your Discord layout is organized. And that's it. Your member count bot is now set up on Discord and ready to track your server stats. This is a super useful way to keep your community informed and make your server look more professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.